guys, I'm going to be taking a range test on the Nerf dart tag gun. And if you want to know more features about this blaster, it doesn't have a tactical rail, and when you pull this back, and then something pops out there. So let's get to the ranges. Alright, first shot. Second shot. Wow, that was way off it. That was off it too. Well, let me try that again. Let's go look at the ranges. And our first shot is sitting up at 7 feet. As we work our way up, we have this top dart is, the tip of it is sitting about 10 feet. So the Nerf dart tag gun shoots 10 feet. And always, thanks for watching.